Sixth standard students, let us start from page number 129, subtraction of integers with the help of number line. Okay. Now we have added positive integers on number line. For example, consider 6 plus 2. We start from 6 and go 2 steps to the right side. We reach at 8. Already we have seen this. We also saw that 2, 8, 6 and minus 2 on a number line. We can start from 6 and then move 2 steps to the left side of 6. We reach at 4. 6 and 2 steps left hand side of 6. Thus we find that to add a positive integer we move towards the right on a number line, and for adding a negative integers we move towards left. We have also seen that while using a number line for whole numbers for subtracting 2 from 6. So 6 and we are subtracting 2. So left hand side of 6 we will move 2 steps. So 6 minus 2 is 4. What would we do for 6 minus 2? Would we move towards the left on the number line or towards the right? If we move to the left, then we reach 8, 4. Then we have to say 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. This is not true because we know that 6 minus 2 is 4. So 6 minus 2 is not equal to 6 minus 2. So we have to move towards the right. So 6 minus 2, that means right side 8. That is 6 minus 2 is equal to 8. This also means that when we subtract a negative integer, we get a greater integer. Consider it in another way. We know the additive inverse of minus 2 is 2. Thus it appears that adding the additive inverse of minus 2 to 6 is the same as subtracting minus 2 from 6. We write 6 minus 2. That means minus plus. That means when two negative signs are together, we will write with plus sign, or we can write the additive inverse of minus 2 is plus 2. Let us now find the value of minus 5 minus 4. Using a number line, we can say that this is the same as minus 5 minus plus, as the additive inverse of minus 4 is 4. We move 4 steps to the right on the number line, starting from minus 5. So first we will choose minus 5, then plus is there, so 4 steps, answer will be minus 1. So in short, we can say that to subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the other integer. That means, in this example, additive inverse of minus 2 we will write here and then 8. Let us start now 6.3. Let us start exercise 6.3. Find 35 minus 20, 72 minus 90, minus 15 minus 18, minus 20 minus 13, 23 minus 12, minus 32 minus 40. So I am solving for you C and E, F. Now C part of question number 1, minus 15 minus in the bracket minus 18. So first we will see minus plus. 1 is negative, 1 is positive, subtraction is there. So 18 minus 15 is 3, and greater number is having positive sign, no need to put any sign. Or we can see that we will write the additive inverse of minus 18, that means plus 18. Same way, additive inverse of minus 12 is plus 12. So, and other way we can see minus plus. So 23 plus 12, 35. Simple answer is there. But I will teach in this way. Minus plus minus in this way. Now see here F. Minus 32 minus 40. Minus plus. 1 is negative, 1 is positive. Subtraction is there. So 40 minus 32, 8. Bigger number is 40. Before it positive sign. So no need to put any sign. Now question number 2. Fill in the blanks with greater, smaller or equal sign. So I am explaining here only this question, okay? So first we will solve this. Minus 3 plus minus minus. Two negative numbers are there. We will add with negative sign. Now minus 3 minus minus 6. So minus 3 minus minus plus 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So subtraction is there. 6 minus 3 is 3. Bigger number is having positive sign. No need to put any sign. So we are getting here answer 3. Now minus 9 and 3. 3 is greater than minus 9. That means minus 9 is smaller than 3. In this way you can solve all this. Okay, one I am solving for you also. Minus 21 minus minus plus. So minus 21 plus 10 minus 11. Subtraction will be there because 1 is positive, 1 is negative. So 21 minus 10 is 11, and bigger number is having negative sign, so negative. Now here minus 31 plus minus minus. So minus 31 minus 11. Two negative numbers, always we add with negative sign. So here the answer will be minus 42. Now in this way 42, if we neglect the sign, so 42 is greater than 11, but because of negative sign minus 11 is greater than minus 42. So minus 11, that means this step is greater than. In this way you will solve. Now fill in the blanks. So additive inverse of minus 8 is plus 8, then 8 minus 8 is cancelled. 13, additive inverse of 13 is minus 13, so 0. Same way, now here, see here, minus 4. In minus 4, what we have to add, so we can get minus 12. Minus 12. So bigger number, minus 4 is here already. So if in minus 4, we will add minus 8. Because minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. Now minus 10, minus 15 is there, minus 10. So 5. Bigger number is having negative sign. So subtraction will be there, negative sign. Now find minus 7, minus 8, minus 25. This minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1 minus 7 plus minus 8 plus minus 90. 50 minus minus 40 minus minus 2. So C and D I am solving for you. C of question number 4th. Minus 7 plus minus 8 plus minus 90. So minus 7 plus minus minus plus minus minus. Three negative numbers we will add with negative sign. So you can see here 7 at 15, 5 carry over 1, 1, 9 and 1, 10. So minus 105 will be the answer. Now here 50 minus minus 40 minus minus 2. So 50 minus minus plus minus minus plus. So 50 plus 40, 90 plus 2, 92. So here 6.3 is finished. Now what have we discussed? We have seen that there are times when we need to use numbers with a negative sign. This is when we want to go below 0 on the number line. These are called negative numbers, left hand side of 0. Some example of their use can be in temperature scale, water level in the lake or river, level of oil in tank, etc. They are also used to denote debit account or outstanding dues. Already we have seen in the basic concept then before starting the exercise 6.1. Now the collection of numbers minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. is called integers. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, dash, 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 called negative integers are negative numbers or negative integers, and 1 2 3 4 called positive numbers or the positive integers. Here O are OR. We have also seen how one more than given number gives a successor, and one less than given number gives predecessor when we add one successor. Now we observe that when we have the same sign, add and put the same sign. When two positive integers are added, we get a positive integers. Simple. When two negative integers are added, we get a negative integers. Two negative integers always we add with negative sign. When one positive and one negative integers are added, we subtract them as whole numbers by considering the numbers without their sign, and then put the sign of the bigger number with the subtraction obtained in the resulting number, that means in the difference. The bigger integer is decided by ignoring the sign of integers, that means here 4 plus minus minus 4 minus 3 is 1, because 4 is having positive sign, so no need to put any sign. But here minus 4, that means minus 1. The subtraction of an integer is the same as the addition of its additive inverse. We have shown how addition and subtraction of integers can also be shown on a number line. So here chapter 6 is finished. Now complete your notebook.